my channel. So for today's look, I was inspired by Patrick Ta. I think that's how his last name is pronounced. So I was on his Instagram page and I was scrolling down and I saw this beautiful makeup that he had done on ADRIANA Lima, and I was in love. I did this lip a few days ago. I did it and I went out shopping and everyone was like, oh my god, I love your lips. I got so many compliments. I usually don't get a lot of compliments when you, like, where I live in the city, it's a very small town. It's not a city, it's a small town, so people are not that bold with makeup. So when I wear bold makeup, I don't think people really like that look around here. But when I wore this lip and everyone was like, oh my god, we love your lips. I got so many compliments on these lips, so I was like, oh, let me just do a video on this. I'm sure, actually, when I was searching, I saw, I think I saw 2 other girls who had done similar makeup, but I just wanted to do it too, so here it goes. But yeah, I really love this look. It's so simple on the face and the eyes, but then the lip is just like boom in your face. Anyways, if you guys want to know how to get this look, please stay tuned. So as always, I'm gonna start off by using my Tatcha's Silk Based Primer. I'm just grabbing a little bit of this and I'm gonna apply this all over my face using my fingers. Her base is pretty simple. She doesn't seem to have a lot of coverage, but she has amazing skin, so she can get away with it. So I'm gonna try to be a little light on the foundation, but my skin is gonna need a little more coverage than hers. So for foundation today, I'm gonna be using Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Foundation. I love this foundation because it gives you an amazing coverage, but it's so light. It's very light. So this is all I'm gonna need. And I'm gonna use my magical sponge and I'm gonna apply this all over my face. Guys, today is like the hottest day, well, the first hottest day of the year, and I'm dying. It's so hot. I can't open my window because all the car noises and like people being loud. Beautiful. I don't know if you can tell on camera. It's so beautiful. It covers everything that needs covering, but it still looks like skin. For concealer, I'm sticking to my favorite Shape Tape from Tarte, so if you guys want to use something lighter, you definitely can, but I love this and I really can't find anything else that I like that will give me the same coverage as this. Also, since our base is not that heavy, we can get away with a little thicker concealer. And then around here, because I have some redness around my nose and then some discoloration around my mouth. My face, I'm gonna go in with NYX's Cream Stick Foundation, and I'm in the shade Caramel. Well, this is what I'm gonna be using for my contour because I want the contour to be a little lighter than usual. She doesn't seem to have a lot of contour going on her face, and I'm gonna blend this with the other side of my sponge. Apply this under my cheekbones. Very tiny on my forehead since my forehead is pretty small. Like, that's all I need. use a small little brush and pick up some of this to contour my nose with it. The shade of this contour on my skin. And now to set everything, I'm going to be using my Fit Me Loose Powder. You guys, I can't stress enough how good this powder is. I mean, I know Laura Mercier is one of the best, and I feel like this is right next to it. I don't know if they baked her face, but I'm so oily that if I don't bake, this makeup is not gonna last on me more than like an hour. And I'm gonna apply a little right here to carve my cheekbones. With a small brush, I'm picking up some more of that powder and I'm gonna contour. I'm gonna apply this next to the contour that we have applied, so the contour will stand out a little more. Then this is just gonna make the nose look extra small when we wipe it off. Her eye makeup is super simple, so I'm just gonna apply whatever of the powder that's left on my brush all over my eyelids. This is the bronzer that I usually use, the Too Faced Sunbunny. So I'm gonna take this shade right here, the one that has a little shimmer to it. I'm just gonna pick that up with a blending brush and I'm just gonna apply that all over my lids, like so. Just a little bit, just so we have some color on our lids. So with a pencil brush, I'm gonna pick up the same shade again. And I'm gonna apply a little bit of this to my lower lash line. Just a little, so it warms up my under eyes. So she did a very natural look on her eyebrows, but I kind of want to do my own thing, and I don't really like, I can't really get away with natural brows with my brows because there's just, it's too much going on. It's so hard to get it to look natural and it just takes so much time. So I'm just gonna do what I usually do with my brows. And yeah, if you guys want to do what she's doing, you can just like tone down the brows. So I'm gonna do my brows off camera and I'll be right back. So I did my eyebrows off camera. Now I'm gonna use this little brush to wipe away all the excess powder that's still sitting on my face. That's pretty close to what she's wearing. It's like this peachy pink beautiful blush that I have from Milani. I'm also gonna apply a little of my Milani Rose Dior because I need a little more sheen, and this has a little more shine. The other one is more matte. So I'm just gonna apply a very small amount of this over the other blush that we have applied, just so we have a little more shimmer. See, do you guys see the difference? And don't worry, we're gonna blend this out even more. So with a clean brush, I'm just gonna go over the whole thing just to blend it out and smooth it out so there's no harsh lines. And now for highlighter, I'm gonna be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills X Amrezy. I love this I love this highlighter. It's so beautiful. And so just picking some of that up with my brush, and I'm gonna apply this on the highest points of my face. She has a really nice inner, she has a beautiful glow all over her face. So I'm gonna try to get a nice glow on my face as well. She has a beautiful glow all over her face. I'm gonna try to get myself as glowing as her, but let's see. And then she has some in the middle of her forehead. I'm gonna apply on the cupid's bow on my forehead. You guys, my energy level is so low right now. I don't even know why, but I feel just so tired, and I shouldn't be because I had enough sleep and I had coffee, but I didn't have a full cup of coffee, so maybe that's what it is. That's probably it, guys. And she doesn't have a lot of highlight on her nose and stuff, but I love highlighting my nose, so we're gonna do that. But she has a really strong inner corner highlight, so we'll go extra on that. I'm just gonna do it with my finger because I feel like I get more pigmentation when I apply it with my finger rather than brushes. For lashes, it like seems like she has lash extensions or one of the like the little individual lashes that you can do yourself at home. She has one of those on. So I have a set of lashes that's very natural looking, and it kind of looks like the one she's gonna wear, she has on, so I'm gonna put that on. But first I'm gonna apply some mascara onto my lashes. I'm just gonna use my The Balm Cosmetics. You guys probably know this by heart now. Just what's your type mascara. I'm just applying that before I apply the falsies on my own lashes. So yeah, pretty much I applied that, and now I'm gonna go get the lashes and we'll apply the lashes. These are the lashes that I'm gonna use today. These are by Kiss and they are called Shy. They might not look as natural on here, but once you have them on your eyes, they're actually very, very natural looking. When I wear these, nobody can tell like I have lashes on. Everyone thinks it's my own lashes, but it's really not. So the contacts that I have on are from oopsies, just went. The lenses that I have on are from TDY. Is it T? Yeah, it's TDY eyes, and they have really nice contacts and they're pretty cheap. I think well, when I got them it was on sale, and I think I got them for $19, but they're like $30 something each, but they're always on sale. So if you guys want to get them, you should definitely try them because they look very natural, especially these shades, the ones I have on. They're called Queen Blue, and they look so natural in real life too. I love them so much, and blue is my favorite color for eye color. And so this is the lashes. She doesn't seem to have any mascara on her lower lashes, but I want some, so I'm gonna apply some. Just one coat is enough. I'm just gonna get a little spoolie and brush the lashes out a little. Okay, now for the fun part. Now for the fun part, the lips. For the lips, I'm gonna first use MAC's Cherry lip pencil, and I'm gonna use this to just outline my lips with this. So make the this middle section of your lip, just overline that little part of your lip, and then follow your own natural lip line. Whoa, look at my lips, you guys. Extra as hell. And for lipstick, I'm gonna be using Too Faced It's Happening liquid lipstick. So just apply this all over your lips. To have like this orangey red shade in the midsection of her lips, so for that I'm gonna use this orange shade from MAC lipsticks. It's quite the Standout liquid lipstick. You're gonna need a tiny little dab of this, like that. And then use your finger to blend it out. It looks so sexy, I got it on my teeth. Okay, I think it's good now. So she has this beautiful glossy look going right across her crease. So for that I'm gonna just use a lip gloss. So you can pretty much use any clear gloss that you have and make sure it has like a nice shine. So I'm just picking up a little on my small detail brush and I'm gonna just apply that right here. I don't want to apply it all over my lids because I kind of want to keep my makeup for a while. I'm going out with a few friends, so I do want this makeup to last a little bit, and when you put too much gloss on your lids, it doesn't really stay long or look good for too long. So I'm just gonna go right in the crease area and just apply this a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it looks so pretty in real life. Okay, so this is the final look. I really love how simple and glamorous this look is. I love the lips. I actually am bold enough to wear this out. I do wear colors like this. So if you're someone like me, you would probably wear it out. But apart from the lip, everything else is very subtle and beautiful. So if you want to tone down the lips, you can still do this look and just do a natural lip and look very natural and still glamorous and glowy. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please thumbs up this video and like and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on my Instagram and Twitter. They're both at Makeup by Roya. And yeah, love you guys. Thank you so much for watching again. Mwah. Bye.